Hi there, it's Annie Lou. How are you? Today is Saturday, February 1st, and believe it or not, I got my Art Snacks box in. Mailman just dropped it off, so I am going to unbox this, and if I have time, I will post it and you'll see it later today. So, let's take a peek inside. Okay, so here it is, Art Snacks. February 1st, open it up, and there's the card, and the green tissue. It really is a pretty green tissue, and a dum-dum, a cherry dum-dum. I still have the candy from last month. This is lemon, I just know it is. So this one I'll give to my little friend. Okay, I am just going to peek a little bit at this and see what's in here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 things. When I look at this, I know it is the pretzel sticker, but it looks like, I don't know, an animal. A bear, a beaver, could be a cat, lots of things. Cute, very pretty. All right, so I have my my designated Art Snacks book, and I had a little problem with my filming when I did this, so I like the way it came out. She's very, very dramatic. Alright, so this was January, so now we're going to flip. So I did not finish off my pages. Now I really should have done that, and I didn't even think to look. So what I will use instead is the mixed media paper, and it's nice and smooth, and I'll rip it out and I'll put it in my book. So the first thing I have is a Faber-Castell watercolor marker, Cobalt Turquoise. So I have my water, and I have a couple of paint brushes over here. Okay. So it has a, let's see what kind of tips they have. Okay, so it has a brush tip, and I do like turquoise. A bullet tip. More control. And I'm thinking this is water soluble. So I have my brush, and let's see what happens. Oh yeah, it's moving around. And I can drag it right out to nothing. Look at all the values there are. So, this got dry. Here we go. The next thing, oh, we got 2. Okay, so this is orange glaze. I bet this is going to be translucent. Nope, it's a nice bold orange. Same tips. A bullet and a brush tip. The bullet tip seems to come out lighter. And drag it down to nothing. Very good. So there is a brush in here. I didn't see it. It's because it's see-through. It's a Princeton Glacier Series 4950 round size 2. So it has a nice tip. Oh, I wish I would rather put this in paint. Let's make a puddle. Wet it and just load up some color. And we'll make a nice line. Oh yeah. And it holds the paint. So this is my palette. press and lift. Press and lift. Press and lift. And even though that pedal is a little off, it's still okay. Press and lift. I don't know what kind of a flower this is, but here we go. Let's put down some orange. Yes, the tip, the brush tip is a lot juicier. So that's my palette. I'll pick up some paint and yep, nice control, very nice control with this brush. So we got a brush, 2 colors of the water markers, watercolor marker, and the next thing is a clean color dot. Well, it's from Zig. How's that? Let's open this up. Ooh. It's a nice, fine tip. I've never had a tip like that. It's like round, really round. So we got 2 Faber-Castell watercolor markers. It says a new product and a staff favorite. And then we have the, oh, it's a dot. That's what it is. This is to make dots. And it does make good dots. Alright, and then the brush. The number 2 round. And there's one more thing. There's a graphite pencil, a 2B graphite pencil, water soluble. So, it's a nice soft gray. Get the brush. And, oh yeah. Looks like a little tornado going on there. So that's nice too. I have discovered pencils lately and I really do like them. Art Graph, made in Portugal. A 2B. So there you go. That's everything. Well, thank you for joining me. And look for me. I'll be back soon. Bye-bye.